If anybody wants to get involved in any sort of art or craft in Warkworth, this is probably the best place to do it.
Over 100 members, been going for over 40 years, so it's quite a substantial club really.
Everybody was just so friendly and very helpful because I had no prior knowledge of pottery at all.
Apart from the pottery, there's all sorts of other things going on at the club.
It's very easy to get involved in one of the other groups.
I started off with the spinners and weavers, and I heard all this banging down on this side, so I was nosy and I came down to have a look, and I haven't left it since.
I plan on joining probably the potters and doing some spinning and weaving. It's amazing being involved. I love it here.
You have an opportunity to try these different skills in what I would call a safe environment. You don't feel like a total prat.
Given the opportunity to have so many different crafts that you can learn, I think people keep coming back. Once they start, they keep coming back simply because of the friendships that they make.
Well, a friend actually inspired me because she was already a member, so she said come along and have a go at something.
It's a cooperative, not a classroom.
We don't have teachers as such, we just learn off one another.
And I think that's the nice part of it, is just talking about what you're doing and getting advice and giving advice.
You get inspiration from what other people are doing, and also sometimes it gives you a bit of a reality check. You think you're doing something pretty well, and then you see how it should be done.
There's a lot of people that live locally that don't even know this club exists, even though it's been going for 40 years. It provides companionship, numerous opportunities to do numerous different crafts, and lifelong friendships are made. I quite often don't bother to bring lunch in the hope that someone's going to have a birthday.
Yeah, the people make it, I think. The people make it.